Hello buddies, how are you? So welcome back to yet another vertical video episode. This video is quite different. Actually, sorry for that. So this video is quite different. We are gonna try something out with these X and with this old MI mobile. It's my MI 4i mobile which I bought some 6 years back. It's 6 to 7 years old. Let's see what this mobile is capable of. It has a 13 megapixel camera. So let's see what this mobile can make out with this X. Actually in Instagram it's quite popular where this X photography is quite on trend right now, right? So I thought of making out a video of it with this old mobile. That would be quite challenging, right? So let's see what we can make it. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So it would be nice if you could find some good green background to capture these kind of images. So now I have placed these two eggs on this small plants available on my terrace. So we have the MI 4i mobile with us. So let's see how we can capture the images. So just go find some crazy angles to capture a good image. It's better if you could turn the camera upside down to capture these kind of images. Have some good foreground blur and so that you have a better image than when you capture it straight. So you can also use the exposure adjustments on your camera so that you can just reduce the exposure a little bit, making it a little bit moody. Actually there is a tree at the background. I am just going to use that as a background and let's see what we could make. This is another image that I am taking for this video. It's like the two eggs are together and one egg is quite away from them, and so this is another image where I just scare these eggs with a knife. Now you can just edit the images you have took to heal off some of the unwanted dirt and some unwanted particles that are present on the image. So Snapseed will be helpful for that. After that we have to download those emojis that we are going to just paste over those eggs. So you can just search in Google as vector face emoji, where you can find these kind of crazy face drawings that you can just download. So for more such images, I have a link down in the description. Do check out so you don't get these kind of special emojis in Google. So just click on the link in description and download them all. And for editing we are going to use an app called Pixlr. Go to the Google apps and just download the Pixlr app. Opening it, you will have an option to add the image. Click on the photos and open the image. So now we have opened the image. Now click on the tools and click on double exposure, where you can just add an image over this image. So search for the emojis that we have already downloaded and just click on the multiply or darken options that are already available, whichever is suitable for the image. We can directly add all the PNG smileys that or emotions that we have already downloaded, and yeah. So using the same double exposure option, we can just keep adding all the emojis one after the other on the X. If required, you can also reduce the opacity of these emojis so that it doesn't stand out from the egg. And yeah, you can follow the same procedure to add images one over the other. And so here we have added 3 emojis for all the 3 eggs, and I'm just saving the image and I'm going to edit it or color grade it in my Lightroom mobile app. So in Lightroom I just already have my own preset pack, so I'll just try applying one of them and let's see which suits the best. So I'm gonna apply this snowy effect preset that I have made. So and I will make some little adjustments to bring the blue color in the clouds, and we have the final image like this. So here is another example. I'm opening the Pixlr app once again. So this is another image that I took from my fridge. So now I'm going to add the emojis over all the eggs. I wanted to make it look like the egg in my hand is little bit of sad that it's been taken by me. So I have added an crying kind of emoji for that egg, and for the other eggs I have added some other emojis. So we have the final image like this after adding some presets from my own Lightroom mobile presets. So we can also do a little bit of crop if required. So this is the final image we have. I also have another example. Now we have already added the emojis. I'm going to show you how to add some play buttons, or how to say you have that play button and forward backward button. So this is a screenshot I took from the Wink app and just cropped it and added a certain double exposure. Just added the photo over the image, and just by adding some text. So Bonipo is some song from my native language. So I just added it over the image and added one of my Lightroom presets, and we have some beautiful outputs. So these are the images that we have took and edited today. So do check out my Instagram for more such creative ideas.
So how was the video, guys? I hope you got an idea how to make this kind of crazy egg photography and how to add those emojis in those eggs. I have also made another video for some crazy and creative photography ideas that you can try out at home. So I'll just put up the link here, do check out, and for more creative videos do follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter at Girish Caryu. So yes, that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, do hit that like button, and if you're a new viewer, do hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified whenever I make a video. So we'll meet in another video. Until then, it's a Caryu signing off.